Hello all, welcome to my channel. This video is about Udacity scholarship for machine learning track. Today I'm just surfing through internet and found a scholarship on Udacity platform sponsored by Microsoft Azure platform. They are selecting like top 300 students who are keenly interested about this scholarship. So I'm going to tell what is the proper way of filling this application form to get selected. So without making any delay, let's get started. If you are filling this form, please make sure you read their description and what are the expectations from the applicants. So on Udacity platform, it is featured sponsored by Microsoft platform on machine learning track. We will go through it and what are the expectations. So they're expecting the students who have low code experience, and it will be like 5 weeks long, doing a variety of tasks like importing data, transformation, management to training, validation and evaluating models, then deploying into the cloud. So students have prerequisites like Python experience, comfortable writing scripts, and have basic statistics knowledge like mean, median, mode and standard distribution, and about also machine learning model. Make sure you fill this form properly without making any mistakes, because they are selecting only top 300 students on Azure who have low code experience. So, and also they have mentioned who have basics Python programming experience and basics of statistics and algebra. They are considerable. Please make sure while filling the form you mention this. We'll go and apply it. First, fill this normal things like age, gender and all. So most important part here is how many hours do you spend on your week. So if for purpose, if we take like 16 to 20 hours per week, shall we calculate like 20 hours per week, it becomes like 2 hours per day. So if you go for like 21 to 39, it will come under like 25, right? So we can like probably give 3.5 hours per day. Don't be like give like I will be studying full time, because they're evaluating application that we are a student or an employer, or we doing like from work from home, and we can genuinely give full time for this course or not. So be genuine on it, okay? Yeah, we have. So they are checking over Python familiarity. Don't write like I have never used this language or I can write well structured code, because they're expecting who have low code experience, but they have to do. So like I'll write like I can read others code and find bugs from them, okay? Familiar with data science and statistics. Don't write like I have no experience, and also don't feel like I understand everything which is new to the domain and real world applications, because they are not expecting any expert from here. They're expecting students who can learn. So I'll write like I'm comfortable with the basics and learning some intermediate concept like conditional probability and all, okay? So what is the familiarity with Python machine learning? Here also don't write like you are a newbie, or don't write like you are expert or super duper any expert from here, because they won't select, frankly. So select like you have some of the experience and you can do this and you are doing that and all. So like I will write like I'm familiar with classical machine learning concepts like hyperparameter construction and loss functions evaluation and all. So I'll go with that, then continue. So what is your primary purpose participating in the program? So this is the important thing. Don't write general interest in the topic. So I'll write like growing skills for my current role, because I feel like I am a machine learning machine learning intern. So I am upskilling myself for my current industry thing. So they're asking what do you hope to accomplish through this program. So be genuine with this and write up to like 100 words or like accurately. Okay, so I have already wrote this don't want to extend this video long, so check out this. Like, after successfully completing this program, it will be helpful for me to become a strong and independent developer in my career and machine learning track. Because during my second year, I developed many projects. Like, I have stated all the projects which I had done and why it is important for me. Then now what is my current working thing and all, because ask what is our primary goal and professional goals, include everything which is our professional achievements and all. So I'll write this in my description, don't worry. So next thing, why should you receive this scholarship? Please make sure genuinely you answer this question, like to get a job or to upskill yourself for doing any project like that. I have already wrote this also. Like, this scholarship will help me to know about the basics and core concepts of machine learning, like import different types of data sets, working with different data types and hyperparameters, things and all like that. So it will, and make sure you mention that you know statistics and algebra, then you can update yourself and you are updating your prerequisites for machine learning and all, because they're expecting the candidates who are all low code experience guys and who know basics of statistics and algebra. So make sure you fill that thing. Oh my god. Yeah, then continue to the application, then you click here and I agree. So my name goes here, probably your name, then continue. Hip hip hooray! So it's completed. Save, submit. So my application is submitted. So you guys, do you want to know how genuine I am? Because I'll show my classroom what are the scholarship I have got. Already I have got like AWS Machine Learning Foundation course and Hybrid Cloud Scholarship Foundation course. So these are the current things which I got from scholarship, and currently I am doing these courses and all. So don't waste time in copying from others, okay? Because Udacity also uses plagiarism to detect the same thing which is copied from others. Don't use any Quora or anything to copy that task, why you need this scholarship and all. The same, don't copy from others simply, okay? Be genuine with your goals, professional interests, and what are the achievements you did and why you need this about this scholarship. Be genuine about everything. Make sure you give your full name properly without making any mistakes. After completing this, if you selected for this scholarship, after completing a scholarship, your name will be printed like full name on Udacity certificate, okay? Then you will upload this on your LinkedIn to make insights in your LinkedIn account by the recruiters. At last date to apply is June 30th, okay? Then you will be notified on July 7th about this course. So if you are struggling to complete this application, don't hesitate to comment. Please comment. I'll try to answer it, the solution, or like how you can go through it. Then most importantly, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and like my video, share this video to the needy guys who all need to know about this, okay? Till that, stay healthy, stay in home, start doing projects, build your portfolio. Till that, we'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.